Hey everyone, back tuning into today's video. We're doing weekend forecast today, as we do every Saturday, having a detailed look at weather for the next 7 days across the British Isles. We're going to be seeing high pressure taking over in the coming week, so we're going to have a taste of summer. Not sure it's going to get quite as hot as it looked like it could do a few days ago. We're not going to pull the winds up from the south with this high pressure, I don't think. More of an easterly drift, really. It will certainly turn warm, with temperatures getting up to the mid-20s in the south, around the upper 70s Fahrenheit, but probably not looking at sort of 80 Fahrenheit plus type, which did appear to be on the cards 2 or 3 days ago. Before I get on with the weekend forecast, I just want to say about the ads. There's video ads on my pages at GazWeatherViz.com. Hit play on the video ad. You'll be helping to support GazWeatherViz.com. Thanks very much for doing that. The websites that we're using for the weekend forecast, we've got the radar pitch and some charts at the end coming from the weatheroutlook.com. Excuse me, and also some charts from weathercentral.de. You can find a link to Weather Central on my links page. So this is the current radar pitch. Not a great deal going on. I've got a few very light showers scattered around across England and Wales, some more substantial showery rain across central parts of Scotland, and a few showers, some of which are quite heavy across Northern Ireland. But overall, a lot of dry weather around today, albeit rather cloudy. What's happening is that this trough of low pressure that's generally been giving us quite unsettled and cool conditions throughout most of August since Hurricane Bertha blasted through. I think it's around the 9th or the 10th of August. That trough is now lifting out and the high pressures begin to reach back in from the Azores, so the pattern is sort of changing over this weekend. So we've got the showery rain up in the north. We'll keep some showers scattered around parts of the country through the course of this afternoon, but generally a lot of dry weather. Many places will stay dry. A rather lot of cloud around as well, I think, through the course of this afternoon. Few cells coming through, and temperatures in the best of the sunshine could lift up to around 20 degrees. 20 degrees is at 68 Fahrenheit, but overall quite a cool, cloudy, chilly sort of feeling afternoon, to be honest, with temperatures just into the mid to upper teens for most parts of the country. As we go through to tonight, that high pressure is continuing to reach in off the Atlantic. The trough is continuing to lift out to the east. So I think, again, a lot of dry weather across many parts of the country tonight. Clouds will tend to thin out, and any showers that do form will die out in the evening. Most places will be dry tonight. Could get a little bit chilly up in the north, with temperatures down to 8 degrees, but down in the south holding up at around 11 or 12. Tomorrow, we're bringing the area of high pressure up from the south into southern parts of the country. This very deep storm across Iceland is the remains of Hurricane Christabel, and that's going to bring a weather front in towards western Scotland and Northern Ireland through the course of Sunday afternoon. So most places will start off dry on Sunday with sunny spells, but we'll find cloud and rain arriving across western Scotland and Ireland through the course of the afternoon. Elsewhere, we'll keep it mainly dry. And there'll be increasing amounts of sunshine on Sunday, definitely the best day of the weekend. It will feel warmer as well, with lighter winds and more sunshine. Temperatures in the south will be up to around 21 or 22. That's into the low 70s Fahrenheit. Through the course of Monday, we'll be dropping a very weak front down across the country. It'll produce no more than a band of cloud and trivial little bits and pieces of rain, I think, really across England and Wales, clearing away through the course of the afternoon, with brighter skies following to Scotland, Northern Ireland and Northern England. Temperatures between around 15 and 20 degrees. I mean, it's high pressure all the way, really, for the rest of the week. On Tuesday, that high pressure in across the country, so we're going to start off with some mist and fog patches. It's getting late into the year now, so we'll have to contend with some early morning mist patches, maybe some low cloud as well, but all of that should sort of burn away, and then we'll have good sunny spells coming through during the course of Tuesday. There will be clouds bubbling up, fair weather clouds, but overall a very nice day. Temperatures up to around 22 or 23 in the south, 23 being at 73 Fahrenheit. The high pressure is still over the country as we go through into Wednesday. Notice the drift is generally easterly. We're not pulling up sort of southerly, southeasterly winds, so it's going to be warm. Temperatures are going to be up to around 23, maybe 24 by Wednesday. 24 is 75 Fahrenheit, so very pleasant, warm conditions, not particularly hot. Just really nice weather, good sunny spells with patchy cloud floating around as well. Again, could be mist and fog patches early and late. By the time we get through to Thursday, the high pressure is still over the country. Thursday could be the peak of the temperatures, maybe reaching 25 degrees in the south, that's 77 Fahrenheit. And again, a lot of fine and dry weather. Probably dropping a weak cold front down into this cold front, into this high pressure in the north. So perhaps more in way of cloud for Scotland and northern England on Thursday. The best of the sunshine down in the south. And that will start to lower the temperatures a little bit in the north. So just 15 or 16 probably for Scotland. By the time we get through to Friday, the high pressure is sort of repositioning itself. Still dominant, but centred ever so slightly out to the west. And we're probably putting down a slightly cooler, fresh and northeasterly wind. So I think we're looking at plenty of dry weather again for Friday with good sunny spells coming through. There will be clouds floating around as well. Temperatures just a degree or two down, so in the south probably around 22 or 23, in the north probably around 15 or 16. Very, very pleasant conditions. And as we move through in towards Saturday and on into next weekend, just a suggestion that the high pressure is going further out into the, you've got to keep an eye on that. That's retrogression, where we're taking the high pressure from east to west as opposed to the normal flow, which is west to east. Just as that high pressure going out into the Atlantic and possibly pulling down some cooler air from the north. But I think overall next weekend is staying dry really across all parts of the country, or most parts of the country. It's just that temperatures could start to edge down, I think, through the course of the weekend, so going back towards average probably by day, and maybe a little bit cooler than average by night. Finally, having a look at the charts from the weather outlook, we've got the showers around today, very scattered, but most places will stay dry, but there will be showers for some. We're going to feel pretty cool, really, in the wind cloud as well. Better sunshine for tomorrow. It is the best day of the weekend across England and Wales, although cloud and rain will get into Scotland and western Scotland and Northern Ireland later on in the day. Temperatures a little bit warmer. Band of cloud and very trivial amounts of light rain or drizzle coming across England and Wales on Monday, with bright skies following to the north. And then it's fine all the way really through Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Lots of dry weather. Temperatures peaking in the south on Thursday at around 25 degrees, 77 in Fahrenheit. By the time we get through to Friday, we keep it dry, but it could just be turning a little bit cooler in the north and east. That's probably the trend as we go through into next weekend, with that cooler air edging back down from the north and the east. In summary, after sort of the showers today and the rain in the northwest tomorrow, we've got lots of dry weather coming up, a very pleasant spell of late summer, early autumn weather. Mostly dry and pretty warm by the time we get through to the middle of the week, a little bit cooler again by next weekend. That's it for now. Enjoy it. Bye for now.